Hello children, welcome back. Hope you all are fine. So today we'll start a new lesson, that is the reading C of your first unit, Letter to a Friend. Okay, so let's start the lesson.
So, children, this is your reading C from the first unit, that is a letter to a friend. Okay, so this is a letter one friend is writing to another friend. So, here you can see in the right hand side the place and the dates are written. Okay, Hyderabad, and the date is 12/11/2012. Okay, date should be always written in the right side in the beginning, and the place also should be written there. Okay, now in the left side you have to write to whom you are writing. Like here the friend is writing to Suresh, dear Suresh. Okay, in the right side you have to write the date and place, and here in the left side you have to write to whom you are writing, dear father, dear mother, dear brother, dear Suresh. This is Ramesh. So who is writing to whom? Yes, Ramesh is writing to Suresh. From which place he is writing? From Hyderabad he is writing. Okay. Now, I apologize for not meeting you during your visit to Hyderabad last week. That means what? When we apologize? When we feel sorry or when we do any mistake, right? Here the friend Ramesh wants to apologize to whom? To Suresh. Why? Because he was not able to meet him during his visit to Hyderabad. Okay. Unfortunately, I had a meeting in my office. I remember how we enjoyed our childhood days in Manikonda village. That means they both spent their childhood in which place? In Manikonda village. So now he is remembering whatever the childhood days they enjoyed together, Ramesh and Suresh. Right? Every day we played together in our garden. So Ramesh is recalling whatever the days spent, childhood days they spent together in the village. Okay, our family was very big. There were 12 members in our family. I remember how we played in the moonlight. Our grandma used to give us fruits and biscuits. So, big family. It was a big family, right? And how many members were there in Ramesh family? Yes, there were 12 members in the family. And they used to play where? They used to play in the moonlight. And what their grandmother used to give them? She used to give them fruits and biscuits. Our grandpa used to tell us fairy tales about the princess, warriors, and the village boys. Okay? Their grandmother used to give biscuits and fruits, and his grandpa used to tell them fairy tales about the princess, warriors, and the village boys. Okay, now he is recalling everything. Now I am working at Microsoft. I think you have listened this name, Microsoft, a software company, right? Hyderabad as a computer programmer. Okay, so Ramesh is working in Hyderabad as a what? As a computer program. In which company? In Microsoft, a software company. I am married and we have a child. He is giving all the personal information because why? Why he is giving this all personal information? Why? Because from long time they have not met with each other. Okay. My wife works at Dell. Dell is another software company. Hyderabad as a system analyst. Okay. Ramesh is working as a computer programmer in Microsoft, and his wife is working at Dell as a system analyst. You know, city life is quite busy. He is trying to explain Suresh, right? The city life is very busy. We start in the morning, leave our children at the baby care center. Where they are leaving their baby? Yes, they are leaving their baby at baby care center. and came back in the evening with faded faces. Why he is saying faded faces? Because after working for long hours, what will they become? Yes, they'll become tired, right? So that's why he is explaining that tiredness with faded faces. We hardly find time to sit together. Okay? How disgusting. We work with computers. Think like computers and live like computers. We have forgotten our family. See the line. In this line, Ramesh want to explain Suresh that how mechanical they have become. They work with computers and they think like computers. That means they have become mechanical. That's what he want to say. And live like a computer. We have forgotten our family. They are not getting any time to spend with the family. They are not able to sit together. They are not able to eat together. They are not able to talk to each other. I remember how we played gilli danda, hide and seek, and kabaddi. Right? Again, he is recalling his childhood days, how they used to play gilli danda and that all. We went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. They used to go for swimming in the local tank in their village, okay, and every Sunday. Here we live in an apartment, there is no room to play. You know the structure of the apartment, right? Nowadays we are having, the gate community has given some of the space to play to the children's, right? Our flat is our world, just like a well for a frog, right? The world remains unheeded. What is the meaning of unheeded? That means unnoticeable. That means they are not getting time to observe the world around them. How happy we were in our school. We used to sit in the same row, did all the work together and took part in the events. That means they used to sit together and they used to do all the works together. And they also used to take part in events. Like what? Yes. I remember how Padmanabham sir, our class teacher, appreciated to us when we got the first prize in district science fair. Okay? So they got the first prize in what? In the science exhibition. Okay? They got the first prize, and who gave that? Their class teacher Padmanabham sir. Now, I remember how we went on a picnic to Koil Sagar. Okay? There we went boating. So we means who? Ramesh and Suresh went for boating. Our tour to Sri Sailam was memorable. Still I remember the green full of trees that almost touched the sky. Okay, the scene was like that. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. There is nothing here. So that means he is missing all this fun. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of the computer and plays games. What is the difference between their childhood and his child's childhood? They used to play outside. They used to play with the nature. They used to enjoy the nature. But his kid is what? His child is what? He just silent and what? He just plays with the computer. Okay? Never caring for anyone. That means he don't have any of the emotions for any of the family member. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He bought toys and fruits for us. Okay? That means what? When his uncle used to visit his house, he used to bring what? Toys and fruits for him. Our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasara. How we enjoyed Deepavali. Still I hear the sound of crackers. Okay? He is recalling all the festivals that he used to enjoy in the village Manikonda with their friends or family. I can see the rockets flying into the sky, making the night full of light. Where are those days? Okay? He is asking to himself and to his friend. My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and aunt, neighbors are same. See the difference. Sometimes I think of our childhood days. I think of grandparents, uncles, and brothers, sisters. We missed them. We missed the joy of the family. We missed their company. Right? In this city, he is missing all the fun that he used to have with the family and friends. We are missing many things in this busy life. That means what? He wants to tell to his friend that he is missing all the fun due to this busy life. Again, Ramesh is asking Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone, those fairy tales and those fruits, those words of love and affection. He is missing the love and affection mainly, right? We have lost our real life in this unreal world. That means what? In the busy unreal world or the mechanical life, we have lost our real life, the love and care, affection of our family and friends. Anyhow, I am happy that I have found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. Okay? He is inviting Suresh once again so that they can meet this time and they can spend time together this time. Right? So in the last he has written your loving friend Ramesh. So in the beginning you have to write, in the right side you have to write the place and date. The left side you have to write to whom you are writing. You have to address that person. And in the last here in the right side you have to write your loving or your sincerely or whatever. And who is writing the letter, the name should be there. Okay. This is your lesson, a letter to a friend. Okay.